Introducing Vidintrux AI. The future of clickable video creation has arrived. Imagine if just minutes from now you could harness the power of the world's first AI app that creates stunning 4K AI videos packed with clickable images, links, buttons, phone calls, 360 VR, Q&A, and so much more, all with a few clicks. And the best part? It comes with a done-for-you world-class video editor that allows anyone to create, upload, edit, and sell Ultra HD 4K AI videos in any niche you desire in just 2 clicks. And these videos aren't just visually stunning. They're fully interactive, allowing viewers to engage with clickable elements that skyrocket your views, traffic, and sales like never before. Introducing Vidintrux AI. The future of clickable video creation has arrived. The world's first powerful fusion of video and clickable graphics that allows viewers to engage directly with the content. Instead of passively watching, your audience can click on hotspots, take polls, answer questions, or even navigate to different sections of the video. This next-level interactivity drastically boosts engagement and retention. And that's not all. Interactive videos are perfect for product demos, training sessions, simulations, augmented reality experiences, and much more. It even brings content to life in immersive VR environments. You've seen this in action with popular productions like Netflix's Choose Love. Now you can harness the same power in your videos. Here's what Vidintrux AI can do for you. With our AI-powered editor, you can upload videos from YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, or other platforms. Edit with ease by adding text, buttons, images, audio, surveys, polls, and much more. Include clickable elements like buy buttons, email pop-ups, social shares, and even call-to-action triggers. Use over 39 niche-specific templates to create landing pages and drive instant engagement. Track your performance with built-in analytics and share your interactive videos across 10+ social media platforms. But it doesn't stop there. Vidintrux AI integrates seamlessly with popular payment platforms like PayPal, Stripe, Square, and autoresponders like Auber and Constant Contact, making it the ultimate tool for marketers, businesses, and content creators. Why settle for standard videos when you can create interactive experiences that convert like never before? Finally, with Vidintrux AI, you can craft 360-degree VR experiences, giving your audience a full, immersive view of your products or services. Add interactive quizzes and polls to increase engagement. Enable clickable calls to action that lead to instant sales. Offer multiple choice scenarios that change the outcome of the video, keeping viewers hooked. And the best part? You can sell these high-converting 4K AI videos to businesses in any niche, opening the door to a massive revenue stream while standing out from the competition. With Vidintrux AI, it's as simple as 3 steps. Create, upload or create your video in our editor with interactive features. Edit, add clickable elements, polls, VR, and more to engage your audience. Profit, sell your interactive videos or use them to drive traffic, engagement, and sales to your own business. And here's the kicker. Vidintrux AI is available for a limited time, one-time price that won't last long. This early bird offer gives you full lifetime access for less than the cost of dinner. Don't miss out. This is your chance to take your video creation and marketing game to the next level. Click the button below to grab Vidintrux AI at the lowest possible price before it's too late. Your videos will never be the same again.